In the name of Almighty God, the gracious, the merciful, respected students, followers, and friends, you are most welcome in our group PhD MPhil Linguistic and Literature, the ESL Academy by Sirrana, the ESL Trainer, the ESL Academy pages. I warm welcome all students and followers. Our contact number is 0305 6319 464. You can send us text if you wish. You can send us text if you wish on our number 0305 6319 464. Today we shall discuss Twilight in Delhi by Ahmad Ali. He is a Pakistani writer and he knows our culture. Whenever we study Ahmad Ali, we shall learn our culture. We shall come to know he is reflecting, telling, portraying our culture, Indian, Indo-Pak culture, Indian as well as Pakistani culture. Because writer belonged to subcontinent India. He was born in Delhi and he was died in Karachi. Writer Ahmad Ali, he was born 1 July 1910 in Delhi and he was died in Karachi 14 June 1994. He was a poet, he was a novelist, he was a critic, he was a short story writer, and he was well versed in Indo-Pak culture, especially subcontinent culture. He reflected through his first novel, Twilight in Delhi. He tells the condition of Indian occupied Indian by British ruler. So he tells a story of subcontinent in which India and Pakistan, both countries, were living. He also tells about 1857-58 condition when the Indians, they fought against English people and they were defeated. He tells how the British ruler, how the colonizers, they changed the Mughal emperors' territories, especially in India subcontinent, how they changed, because they are the new rulers. Before that, subcontinent people, they were living under the supervision, under the kingship of Mughal emperors, and now things have been changed. No, new rulers have been come. They have set up their government, they have set up their law, they have changed Indian, they are trying to change Indian culture. Over here, our writer Ahmad Ali, he tells that our culture has been, Muslim civilization is undergoing changes. It's getting changes, as in the form of the Mir Nihal, in the form of Asgar. Both are representing changes in Muslim society and civilizations. The concept of mistress, beloveds, mistress, that the triangular relation has been discussed. We find the triangular relationship in his novel Ahmad Ali. We see the theme of triangular relation. Triangular relation, that when you go to Western culture, Western civilization and culture, you will find there is a triangular relation. Mean to say, you've got a wife, you've got a mistress, you are a husband. So one person, he's having mistress as well as wife. So extramarital affair like the activity you will find over here. That was not concept of the Muslim civilization.